Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of US dollar in front of us right now. Yes, I was on a break. I'm back to my work life again. So my break is over. So this is the chart of DXY here. And as you can see that US dollar has failed to cross the resistance level of 94.50. And this is the chart of gold. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of US dollar. Then we'll be jumping to the chart of gold. So if you look at the chart of US dollar, then yes, 94.50 is still standing tall as a resistance in the market, whereas we have got the old support 93.80 to 60 as a support for the market. But surprisingly, the black line in the middle is the weekly resistance level. It was the weekly support and resistance level, but in the case of DXY US dollar, we have seen that that level is not working at all. Therefore, this black line is not necessary. And if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can see that after this uptrend in the market, DXY is in sideways, whereas 94.50 is acting as the resistance level and 93.80 on the downside is acting as a support for the market. So after the market opening on Monday, you'll see that DXY will be jumping from this level or bouncing from this level, or on the other hand, if it goes up, then it will be reversing from this level. Okay, this is the main scenario that we can expect on the US dollar right now, because we can see that this is kind of a sideways market going on. Until and unless there is a big move in the US dollar, it will remain sideways. And as we all know, when US dollar goes up, the price of gold goes down. When dollar goes down, price of gold goes up. Therefore, always keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well. Clear? Now let's come to the chart of gold here. So this is the chart of gold USD. So you can see that if we look at the chart of gold USD, then the chart looks very confusing here, isn't it? So let's remove the confusion here. So now you can see that I have got many levels drawn here on the chart. So let's try to understand what these levels are and what should be our strategy for the Monday and the coming week. So first of all, the market closed at 1767. This is the last traded price of gold here, and you can see that 1780 to 1790, this level, I'm talking about this level is still acting as a resistance for the market, because when I was gone, okay, my the same setup is still working on gold. Okay, I was really surprised when I opened my laptop today. I was very much surprised that the same setup is still working on gold, because see, 1780 to 1790 is still standing as a resistance in the market, still yeah, resistance in the market. And on the other hand, we have got 1740 to 1750. This level is the support for the market. But my dear friend, keep in mind one thing. As we all know, whenever you'll find market testing a level too much, it means that the level is weakening. There is a good possibility of that level breaking. Okay, so here you can see that market has been testing the support level of 1750 to 1740 for quite some time. So there is a possibility of yes, there is a possibility of a breakout towards the downside. Market may fail to take support here in the future, because market has been testing this level for quite some time. So on Monday, what should be a strategy then? Listen to me carefully now. As right now market is trading in the middle, so this is not the ideal position at all, because see, if you buy here, okay, if you buy here, then your stop loss will be below this level. And looking at the selling pressure on the market and the price rejection from above, there is no proper logic for placing the buy order here. So And if you go for sell also, there is no proper logic also placing a sell order because your risk to reward ratio does not match. And as I always say, my dear friends, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. This is your hard earned money, this is your duty to protect your capital. Nobody's come Nobody will come to protect your capital. So as a trader, it is your responsibility. So never trade in the middle, let the price come to you. So right now market is in the middle, so avoid trading in the middle. Wait for the market to go either up or either down. If market goes up from here on Monday, watch the market, how does it behave at the resistance level. If you find market reversing from the 1780 to 1790 level, you can short the market. Do not buy, yes, do not buy, okay, do not buy if market goes up. Only go for shorting the market if market reverses from 1780 to 1790. In case it breaks the level, in case you find gold breaking the level, I'll be coming on Monday and I'll tell you what should be your next strategy. But till then, just keep in mind, only short the market if market reverses from this particular resistance. That is your first trading opportunity. Your second trading opportunity is if market comes down and bounces from the 1750 to 1740 level. So this is your second trading opportunity. If market bounces, if you find market forming a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, you can easily go for a buy here. If market bounces, keep in mind, bouncing is essential. And on the other hand, if market fails to take support, because as I have already mentioned, market has been testing this level for quite some time, so market may fail also. So in case market fails to take support, do not short the market in between this level 1740. As long as market is trading between 1750 to 1740, do not short the market. If market breaks the level of 1740, yes, listen to me carefully, if market breaks the level of 1740, this will be your third trading opportunity and you can short the market. Yes, you can short the market if market breaks the level of 1740. And on the other hand, when market will be reaching this level of 1728 to 1717, yes, this is the ultimate support for the market, or the second support. So if market reaches this level, there's a good possibility of market bouncing from here, and this will be your fourth trading opportunity and you can go for buy. Okay, so you can short the market here, you can go for a buy here if market bounces at 1750 level. If market breaks the level of 1740, here you can short the market, and here you can buy if market bounces from this particular level. So these are the four trading opportunities. And lastly, I would like to mention that for the coming week, 1805 1850 is the weekly resistance in the market, and as you can see that whenever market has been going up, it has been facing severe selling pressure at this level. So 1805 will be the ultimate resistance for the market, and you can see that it has been acting as a very strong resistance for the market as well. So these are the five safe trading opportunities on the chart of gold USD right now. If you love your hard-earned money, then listen to my suggestions and trade on these opportunities only. And if you are a beginner, then my request, do not risk your hard-earned money by taking impulsive trades. And most importantly, please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis. I may go wrong also, my analysis may be wrong also. In that case, just risk only 2 to 3% of your trading capital. This is my request. So bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday again.